Right, okay, we're back on the river again today. Small river not far from my house. And today I've got my niece with me. Wave on it. And we're fishing for the chub and perch mainly. We've already had a few. So we'll have a look at them. But I think Anna's a little bit disappointed. Because she's used to catching great big catfish. Carp. So she's had one little chub so far. I think we're going to tough it out here until she gets another one. I've left her in charge of both rods. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, so let me get landing it down here. Go on. Take your clutch up a little bit. Fighting well, isn't it? There he is. It's not a bad one for you, that. Bring him in. There we go. Not bad at all. Brilliant. First one. First. You caught you before? No. Sound. There you go. Here he comes. A bit smaller than one you had, hasn't it? Not a bad little chub. Put him back. Either a roach or a dace. Swing him in. Looks like a dace. Anna's got a perch. Yeah, I'll look you.
I don't think I've got a perch in my ages. Like 4 years.
Yeah? Cracking little perch. Chuck him back then. Oh, a bit too big to swing out, but it came out alright. There we go. There's another one. Well, straight away I had a bite then. Got something on. Perch. Well, that net for him. Just extend it. That's it. Dip it in for us and I'll drag him over. It's not a bad perch for you. Cheers, Anna. I'll lift him up and I'll get him unhooked. There we go. That's a cracking little perch. Right, so that's the end of the session. Anna's lost a good perch. Just towards the end, I think it spooked everything off, so we're going to get going. I'll be back down here at some point and see if we can catch any more. See you later.